So snorkeling is definitely a highlight activity for us in Galapagos. It's particularly unique because of this interesting confluence of currents that we have impacting the islands. So we end up with these micro ecosystems within the archipelago. Now, one of our favorite species that we pretty much always get to see in large numbers is the razor surgeonfish. Now, this fish tends to aggregate in schools, and we typically see it feeding on algae. So it's going to be feeding around the intertidal zone right there in the shallow rocky reefs. Something special about the razor surgeonfish is that it has 3 modified scales right at the base of its tail, and that's where it gets its name, the razor surgeonfish. So these modified scales actually point outward, and it protects the razor surgeonfish from predation.
The Galapagos Islands are probably the most fantastic place in the world to snorkel. I've never seen so many fish in such a short period of time. We have many endemic species here, but I think a fun takeaway is that this surgeonfish that is a little bit of everywhere is here too. So now when I snorkel in other places in the world, I get to remember my trip here. It's been absolutely amazing.
The razor surgeonfish schools are definitely one of our favorites on these snorkel adventures here in Galapagos. The way they school, the way they move around and seem to communicate with each other, and the way the light hits them, sometimes you get the most spectacular, beautiful blues and yellows. And it's just a real treat for us to be able to spend so much time with these fish in the water.